Hey all! Today, the Tool Marketing channel is back to share about software that supports Twitter. It sends bulk messages for us. Essentially, the interface of this software allows us to manage multiple Twitter accounts to send bulk messages. All these actions will operate simultaneously. To send messages to multiple people, you must first prepare the content. Access the content manager. Next, you need to prepare additional content. You can attach images or videos to your desired content here. I draft any content here, then attach the necessary images. Next, after that, you just need to save it. Once saved, the content you prepared will be available here. I've shared some content, so everyone can take a look at it. To send a message to everyone, first select Viral Marketing, then choose Send Messenger. Just set it once. These settings will automatically save for future activities, so no need to set it again. Select to send messages using list. You can send lists here, via the account link or by the account's username. Next, you only need to set up a few basic steps. Here, select the content you want to write. Here, I have 3 contents. If I want to test this one, I just select it and save. If you don't have this list, you can use this software tool to search for it based on the keyword. Just enter the keyword here. Enter the keyword here. Then select the active account and it will scan all accounts related to the keyword you need.
Let's go back to the message sending section. Once everyone has set everything up, just choose this account. Then click Start to run the software. The software will begin logging into each account one by one across all these programs. Here I am running 12 accounts simultaneously to keep them active continuously. Messages will be sent to various people. I won't let accounts send duplicates. Each will message different individuals, in this order until the list of people is exhausted. Thank you all for watching this video. Goodbye and see you in the next videos.